Hey there! Today, we're diving into the latest buzz from the tech and trading world, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. So let's get right into it. First up, Apple has once again stolen the show at their WWDC 2025 event with the unveiling of iOS 26. Now, what's really catching everyone's eye is the sleek VisionOS inspired interface. It's like Apple took a page from the future and brought it to our iPhones, iPads, and Macs. The redesigned apps and enhanced productivity features are definitely something to look forward to. But here's the kicker. While there are some minor AI updates, Apple seems to be playing it safe. They're giving third-party access to Apple Intelligence, but it's clear they're taking a cautious approach compared to their competitors in the AI race. It's a classic Apple move, right? Always a step ahead, but never in a rush. Switching gears to the world of stocks, Kathy Wood is making waves with her top pick, Tesla. She's all in on their AI, robotics, and energy storage innovations. If she had to choose just one company to invest in, Tesla's her go-to. It's a bold choice, but given Tesla's track record, it's not surprising. And speaking of stocks, Netflix is on the rise. Their subscriber growth is strong, and they're rolling out some pretty innovative strategies. Plus, their expanding global market presence is something investors are keeping a close eye on. It's a good time to be in the streaming game, it seems. Now, if you're looking to expand your business and finance knowledge, 1440 is your weekly cheat sheet. Every Thursday, they break down key concepts in business and finance in a clear conversational way. No paywalls, no spin, just the facts. It's trusted by over 100,000 professionals, so you know you're in good hands. And for all you aspiring traders out there, the Only Traders Trading Club is where you want to be. It's a supportive community that empowers traders with transparent resources and insights. If scalping futures is your thing, this is your gateway to thriving in the fast-paced world of trading. They've got proven techniques and a community ready to back you up. Remember, though, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before diving into investments. And that's a wrap for today. Keep creating, keep exploring, and until next time, stay curious.